So now I'm going to add the greenery, and I'm going to do it in a whipped stitch. A whipped stitch is a back stitch using the whipping technique of going over and over the stitches on the top. I'm going to come up as close to the flower, leaving a tail so I can secure my stitch at the end. I need to keep all my stitches the same length. To start the back stitch, I'm going to make one straight stitch going down through the material. I pull my wool through. I'm then going to come up where my next stitch will end and work backwards towards myself, going back down through the hole where my first stitch is. If you need to mark where your stitches will go on your template, use your ruler to make sure the stitches are the same length. So now you can see all of the back stitches are in place, and we're now going to secure it on the inside. Turn the jumper inside out and weave in the ends. Turn the jumper the right way out with the design facing you and take another piece of green wool. Thread the needle using the needle threader and come up in the very first hole where you started. This part of the stitch is worked on the top side only, so you're not going to go back through the material until the end. Poke the eye of the needle under that first stitch and then bring it over the top. Go under the second stitch and over the top, under the third stitch, over the top, under the fourth stitch, and so on. Keep doing that all the way around until you reach the final stitch. Poke the needle back through the material and secure the wool underneath by weaving in the ends. And there you have your back stitch and whipped stitch.